We have an internationally important population of bottlenose dolphins here in Cardigan Bay. Around the whole of the UK coastline, it's the biggest population that we have. There's dolphins behind me right now off the end of the harbour wall. But we don't really know why that they come to places like this on an almost daily basis from sort of May through to November.
Out on our boat trips and people see dolphins, they get really excited. You'd be amazed. And especially if the animals do approach the boat, you get this big wild animal, maybe 14 foot long, burst out of the water right next to the boat. And people just get blown away by it. They're so excited. So there's a wide variety of wildlife we see on our boat trips. We see the dolphins, seals and porpoise. That's the Cardigan Bay Big Three. Just around the headland, we've got two nationally important bird colonies where we get razorbills, guillemots, kittiwakes, blackback gulls, herring gulls, fulmars, the shags, cormorants, peregrine falcons, oyster catchers, ravens, kestrels, choughs, all around the headland there. We get skuas occasionally coming into the bay. A comment people often make is they thought they had to go to the Caribbean to see wildlife like we've got here, like the dolphins, seals and porpoise, and they're often very surprised to find they've got it on their own doorsteps here in West Wales and Cardigan Bay.